Hey English learner, there are many ways to communicate with others, but I guess only few people know where you sound politely or where you show your aggression towards something. Okay, I'll tell you that different. So there are there are two words that can define whether you are saying something politely or with full of anger. For example, if I would share something like I clean my room. So if I use I clean my room like directly statement, so that shows my politeness. Like I normally saying that I clean my room. But if I put do before clean, so that shows my angerness towards something, that shows my aggression towards something. Okay, for example, I do clean my room. Okay, if I talk about Hindi of that, so whenever you want to show aggression towards something ना कि रूम की सफाई करती तो हूँ, जाती तो हूँ, होता तो है. So if you want to show that aggression, in that case we put do before that. Got it? And I found many cases where people use that. I like you, I do like you. In a similar manner, when it's come to the past activities. So there, if you want to say something politely, like for example, मैंने room की सफाई की थी. So I cleaned the room. But if you want to show your anger in that case also, कि अरे room की सफाई की तो थी. So in that case we use I did clean the room. Okay. So there are ways to define कि whether you are showing your politeness or not. Okay, so follow for more.